Hi there, Chris here. I want to do a quick pick Thursday, and I have this Corbin, and it's made in America, made in USA, right there. And there's the key. It's a tubed key, and it says ET 12, ET something, and then on there it says something else. I can't really make that out, but it's very cool. Yes, Slinky. So the way this works is you just put the key in, and it opens quite nicely. It has a very nice spring on this shackle. I mean, so to open this, I think this is all I need. I think I just need to go in here and find the right little spring point. There it is. So I just entered down here and swept it around with just a pick wire. So that is my quick pick Thursday, picking picking my Corbin. So thanks for watching, supporting, and commenting. We will see you next time.